Today I'm going to teach you how to claim your athletics tickets as a student. First, you're going to type in Tarleton State University athletics tickets. This will take you to the Tarleton Tickets website. Here, you're going to find a variety of options such as season ticket packages and then the various sports. For now, we're going to click on football. Here you'll see a list of all of the football games you can choose from and a button that says login/register. You're going to choose to log in as a student and use your NTNET username and password, which is your student email and password. Then you're going to see all of the various sporting events, so you can do season tickets as a student, which I will teach you how to log into later in the video, or you can choose from a variety of different sporting events. Here we're going to choose a volleyball ticket, so you'll select the Get Tickets button. Then you're going to select TSU Student Section 1 ticket, select seats. This is going to automatically give you the seat, and all you have to do is hit checkout. Then you're going to get an option to send it as a mobile ticket or download it as a PDF. Make sure you save this either as a screenshot on your phone or to your Apple Wallet. To get student season tickets, you're going to hit Football TSU Student Season Pass. As you can see, I have already claimed mine, but you would repeat the same process as before by selecting one and hitting Add to Cart. Now, these tickets you cannot download to your Apple Wallet, so make sure you screenshot each individual game's ticket.